In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a certified Xero advisor. Whether you're a bookkeeping professional or a business consultant, this certification can greatly enhance your expertise and credibility, allowing you to provide better service to your clients and increase your competitive edge in the market. Let's start with the first step, applying to become a Xero partner. To begin, you'll want to visit the Xero website and locate the partner application form. This form is straightforward, and it's your gateway to entering the Xero ecosystem. Ensure that you have all your business details at hand, as they might be required to fill out certain sections. Taking this initial step is crucial as it officially registers you as someone interested in collaborating with Xero. Once your application is submitted and approved, you will want to focus on getting certified. This involves logging into Xero Central and navigating to the Learning tab. Here, you'll find the Xero Advisor Certification Program. Enrolling in this program is essential, as it provides the foundation you need to master the Xero platform. This certification not only boosts your confidence, but also demonstrates your capability to potential clients and employers. The certification journey continues with training, which you can complete at your own pace. Xero offers a variety of learning methods to suit different needs and learning styles. If you prefer a flexible schedule, you can opt for self-paced online courses. Alternatively, join live webinars to interact and engage with instructors in real time. For those who are already experienced in the field, Xero provides a fast-track assessment option, allowing you to showcase your skills without going through the entire training process. This versatility in training options ensures that you can find an approach that fits your schedule and learning preferences. After you have completed the training, the next step is passing the certification exam. This exam serves as a validation of your comprehensive understanding of the Xero platform. It's your chance to demonstrate all you've learned and to show that you are ready to guide others through using Xero. To prepare, make sure you review all training materials and perhaps practice using Xero in real-life scenarios. Passing this exam is a commendable achievement and a key requirement in cementing your status as a certified advisor. Now, with your certification in hand, it's time to build your partner status. This is done by earning partner points as you bring clients to Xero. Each new client you connect contributes to your point tally, helping you progress through various partner status levels. These levels come with their own sets of benefits, enhancing both your experience and ability to serve your clients effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a certified Xero advisor. Not only does this open up new opportunities for your business, but it also solidifies your role as a trusted advisor in the digital accounting space. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.